welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for joining us. So Babe has a recipe today that she got the idea from another fellow YouTuber, phenomenal channel, Shelly Saves the Day, who does tech reviews and YouTube and editing. Yeah. If you're a YouTuber, you need to check out the channel Shelly Saves the Day.
She's great.
So what are we doing today, Babe?
Well, we were talking about tortillas and how fantastic tortillas are. And
you got almond flour tortillas.
Well, I do. I have almond flour because it hurts my tummy. But, so we have almond flour tortillas. But homemade tortillas and butter are like the greatest thing on earth. Okay?
Yeah.
So, Shelly says in our live chat, you should put fruit and Nutella and then put a little butter and make it a burrito. And I'm like, the children would love that.
So it's going to be a Nutella, strawberry, blueberry, banana,
it's
Uncle Steve's dessert shake.
Fruit burrito.
Hot butter.
Yeah.
Fruit Nutella burrito.
It's gonna be phenomenal.
And it's gonna be outside on the world's smallest patio on the PitBoss.
On the biggest griddle.
On the PitBoss 5-burner flat top griddle out on the world's smallest patio.
The smallest patio on the biggest griddle.
So are you ready, babe?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay. And here we go.
Okay, so your ingredients for this super simple dessert could be a crepe if it was a crepe, but we're doing a dessert burrito. So here we go. I have almond flour tortillas.
Oh, almond flour. I mean, babe. What's wrong with just flour tortillas?
You can use whatever tortillas you want. I'm using almond flour because they don't hurt my tummy. We're gonna go bananas, strawberries, crows, blueberries, Nutella, and then we're gonna top it off with a little butter to kind of fry it up a little bit, and some Uncle Steve's dessert shake. This stuff is the best. If you haven't tried it, go to UncleSteves.com.
UncleStevesShake.com.
UncleStevesShake.com. Sweet dessert shake. It is like cinnamon, sugar, honey powder. So much goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Reading the ingredients. I was right. It's delicious. Okay. Let's do it.
Let's do it, babe.
Start by putting a little bit of butter down on our griddle. And we are going to do 3 of these babies. It's on low. I started it on high and then I let it heat up. I turned it down to low just so we can cook these tortillas and get them nice and hot before we add our fruit and our Nutella. These cook very quick, so we're going to flip them over. We're going to add some Nutella. Not very much because these are pretty small tortillas, so about 1.5 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons. That is going to melt pretty quick, so let's get that going there. Spread it out just like you would beans on a normal burrito. For Penelope, I know that she does not like bananas. So we're only going to put strawberries and blueberries in hers. Olivia's, we're going to put some strawberries, some blueberries, and some bananas. And then Joshy and I, we get strawberry, blueberry, and banana. Okay. So let's move it over here to the cooler side.
We're making little bite size.
Ooh, ha, ha, ha. It's a little hot. Yeah, they're little bite-sized burritos. Perfect for a dessert. Like Shelly, this was the greatest idea. Oh boy.
Uh-oh, your tortilla broke.
That's what I get for making it a
almond flour tortilla.
Almond flour. All right, babe. So it's super simple, super quick. A great little easy dessert for the kids when you want something a little bit more healthy.
That's healthy?
Yeah, it's fruit and it's Nutella. So we're just going to grill those on the side here, and then we're going to move them over. We're going to add a little Nutella, a little bit of Uncle Steve's shake, and then we're going to try them out, see what the kids think. Okay, so I got our burritos done. I'm just over here on the hot side. I wanted to seal them up, so I put a little bit of butter down, and then I flipped them over, and look at that little crunch. It's heating everything up inside. We've got our Nutella right there. It's closing that burrito and sealing it up. It's looking and smelling delicious. Okay, so we've got them nice and heated up, crispy, sealed. I'm just gonna put a little bit of Nutella on here. And I actually think your mom had this idea too. With crepes though.
Yeah.
It is a great, grand idea. Oh, babe. Well, I mean, come on. Here we go.
Are you going to talk about our top tier channel
Let's
members?
talk about our top tier channel members. We want to
Yes.
say thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys make the whole YouTube hobby awesome.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
So we got to scroll those.
Yeah.
And everybody take a look at their channels. We thank you for all of your support.
All of our channel members, thank
Without
you guys
you,
so
we
much.
could not do this.
Okay, babe.
Are you ready?
What are you digging for gold in there?
No.
What you doing?
I just found some really cool stuff.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
I want to see
Here
what you
we
guys
go.
think.
So we've got, let me hand them out here. Joshy, you try that one.
Okay.
You try that
It's
one.
very sweet, I can already tell.
Penny does not like bananas, so I did that one for you. And then this one is ours. Are you guys ready? Yeah, it's sweet. It's fruit burrito, the best fruit burrito with Nutella, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and Uncle Steve's dessert shake. Are you guys ready? Cheers. Woo! Okay. What, do I have Nutella on my face? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's very Nutella-y.
That's
The bananas are a great addition.
Mm-hmm.
I really like the bananas.
I really like those almond flour tortillas.
And I don't know about that. I mean, the tortillas are very crispy. They did crisp up really nice.
I
So it's
like
kind of
the
like a
crunch
Nutella
in it.
churro fruit. And the Uncle Steve's shake, because it has the honey powder in it and the cinnamon and stuff. Oh, good, babe. That's rich.
That's really good.
This is a really good dessert if you're going to have a party.
No.
Or if you want to give your kids a dessert that isn't super fattening and just is kind of a little bit healthy.
Yeah.
Wait,
And you can play around on your griddle.
you
So
can play around on your griddle.
on
Easy
the
to
world's
make.
on the world's smallest patio.
Took us 10 minutes.
No.
Kids love it.
It's really
You guys happy?
Mm-hmm.
You're not asking for sugar anymore today, right?
Can't promise.
All right. We will see you guys on the
Thanks, you
next
guys.
one. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you all.